Well, hello there. I didn't see you. Welcome to Maddie Walks a Damn Dog. That's stupid as fuck. What the fuck are you doing? Anyway, so I'm walking my dog, and I get attacked by a bird. Fucking wonderful. Don't question my hat. My hair's being thirsty. Lola! Being pulled in circles. Come on, dog. So, I just wanted to make that statement that I got attacked by a damn bird. Mama bird don't like me. Well, bitch, you on my porch. You on my front porch. And I have to go out the door. So don't peck me, motherfucker. That's basically all I wanted to say. Quick video. Bye, guys.